Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Kent Reliance mortgage account online. If you want to log in and manage your Kent Reliance mortgage account, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video right away. First of all, open a preferred web browser of your choice. Now go to the URL box and type in kentreliance.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. You will now end up in the official website for Kent Reliance. Go to the top right corner of the screen and mouse over to Online Services drop-down. From the pop-up, you have two options you can choose from. If you don't have a Kent Reliance account yet, click on Register and follow through the registration prompts. To log into your existing account, click on Login. Soon after you click on that, you will then end up in the sign-in page. Go to the User Identification Number tab and type in your ID number. After typing in the 9-digit identification number, go to the next field and type in your password correct. After entering both of your credentials, click on the Login button to log into Kent Reliance main homepage. Once you're logged in, you can now look for the Mortgage tab and access and manage your mortgage account for Kent Reliance. So that's how easily you can sign into Kent Reliance Mortgage. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.